Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 2 Whole Numbers Lesson 8. And this lesson's a little different. It's on pages 37 and 38, so you'll need to follow along. And then on the next page, I'll give you just directions. So you're going to log into something called Gizmos, but let's just do this quick warm up first, and then I'm going to show you how to do that. So it says label each point shown on the number line. So we're going to use this number line. Here's 30, here's 35. So each tick mark is going up by ones. So 30, 31, 32. So we'll write in 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Write that in. 39, 40, 41. Write that in. 42, 43, 44. 45, 46, 47. So now all of those are labeled on your number line. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the VMath Live homepage, and there is an app that looks like this. It says Gizmos Guided Discovery. You're going to click on this app, and then you are going to follow along on pages 37 and 38. So here are the instructions. Again, it says when you are told, so right now on your computer, you can log into Gizmo as follows. Log into VMath, and then with your username and password, then select the Gizmos poster, that app that looks like this, and then click on Rounding Whole Numbers, number line, Gizmo link. So you'll see that, you'll be able to click on that. You can ask your teacher for help if needed. Then what you'll do is you will just follow along on the Gizmo. So it's an app. It looks like this. It's a computer page, and you'll have to follow along for each of the things in your packet on pages 37 and 38. So for example, it'll say click the right arrow twice to show 20 to 30 on the number line. So there's little arrows right here. So you'll click it so you get 20 to 30. And then it says drag the red dot to graph 23 on the number line. So you'll have a red dot right here, and then you'll drag it to 23. Then it says click on the circle for hill. So you have right here, it says hill. So flat, so it's flat, and then you'll see hill. Well, what'll happen is this line will turn into a hill kind of like this, and then it's going to show that 23 actually rolls down and it's closer to 20. So when you round it to the nearest 10, you would write 20 on your number line. So the hill is going to help you. It is a visual, so it shows where the number, the dot, where it rolls to, and that's how it helps you round. So you'll also see 10 up here. You can change it to tens, hundreds, and so you'll be able to use the app to help you fill out the pages on pages 37 and 38. All right, good luck.